Good morning. Happy Matcha Monday. Let's get going. We need to work it out. We need to work it out. Doop, doop, doop. Boop, boop, boop. Hello, welcome to Tea with Jan. I am Jan, and if you're interested in things tea related, such as making tea, following tea, being a T-Rex, no. Okay. Actually, I talk about vintage teaware and also new teaware that we want to discover. All things tea, heavy on the vintage usually. Today is Matcha Monday, and I am excited to test out this new recipe. Look at this. Before we get started, I want to tell you about where the recipe came from. So it came from the internet, which is like, everything comes from the internet, right? Do I need more matcha in my life? I think so. Sometimes my energy is low in the morning, and sometimes I need that extra boost. This is gonna give it to us. So, Luann from theteacupoflife.com, I will link all her information down below for you. She also has a book, so you'll wanna check that out as well. She came up and wrote this recipe, which is what we're following. So it seems very simple. I have all of our ingredients for us. So we have 1 teaspoon of our favorite matcha, 1 cup of cold water, 1/4 cup of milk. We're using oat milk, 1 teaspoon of real maple syrup, optional, but you know, I'm sure she heavily suggests it. We are in Canada. And ice. We have ice. Now the option for this iced matcha latte is a dirty iced matcha latte, which is where you add in a shot of espresso because everybody just needs more energy for Monday. So we're actually going to try it and taste it, the first version, which is the iced matcha latte. Then we're gonna add in that espresso shot to make it dirty, and we're gonna give that a shot too. So I have the directions here. We're going to just follow them. So let's get started. So sift the matcha into the jar or bottle and add the water. Okay, I got my jar or my bottle. I've already sifted this a couple times, so it should be good. I won't make you listen to that clanging. All right, that's down. Add the water. Got it? Lid, seal, and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. This is the cold brew matcha method. All right, let's get going. You gotta shake your money maker. 1, 2, 3. Totally making a mess. Whew. Okay, I should have gotten a jar with a better seal. Clearly. All right, open the jar and add the ice. I'm not sure how much ice, so I got a bit here. This seems like a normal amount of ice. Wait, we could have. Or pour into a glass filled with ice. Well, this seems better. Let's pour it into here. Is this gonna work? I'm so noisy. All right, we've officially been making messes. All right, so we have that down. We poured it into the glass filled with ice. Please know I've never done this before. We try things out together. That's how we roll here. Slowly pour in the milk and then the maple syrup. Let's see, can you guys see this? So it says to slowly pour it in. That's so pretty. And I mean, there's no optional for me with maple syrup. I'm Canadian. And it just tastes delicious. All right. That is wonderful. All right, stir and enjoy. I don't know, I just got a shot of that maple syrup. That's wonderful. All right, let's have a go. Oh my God, you guys, I am falling in love with matcha. Like, this is gorgeous, and it's creamy, it's delicious, it's smooth. Seriously, like, I could drink that all day long. This girl's falling in love with matcha. Mmm. So good. All right, last step. Let's try adding that shot of espresso. So if you've never seen one of these little contraptions, I think I've done a review on it. It's super handy. It is definitely espresso. Okay, let's add this in and see how it goes. Here we have the Dirty Iced Matcha Latte by Luann from the Cup of Life. Her recipe that we're testing out today. Oh, where has this been my whole life? That is very nice. I have to say though, I think that I liked just the regular iced matcha latte the best. Like better than the dirty. I will definitely still drink that though. So there you have it. A quick and easy recipe to get you going on a Monday morning, which is I think what a lot of us need, right? If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please share with your friends if you'd like. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye! Because I needed more energy. Ah.